Hey everybody, it's Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser, where I go on a weekend cruise just about every weekend. And a lot of you ask me, is that all that I ever do is go on cruise ships? And so it's a lot of what I do. And so I'm getting ready to go on a 8-night sailing out of Barcelona next week. But before that, I have come to Barcelona, or not Barcelona, I have come to Slovenia, and I'm staying about 80 kilometers outside of Ljubljana in the countryside of Slovenia, and wanted to show you quickly the place that I'm staying, give you a quick room tour of this glamping experience that I'm having, and then share with you the beautiful views that I'm waking up to every morning here. So here is where I am staying at. So you see that it fits in one frame. It's a little on the small side, but it is more than enough. And it's got a beautiful picture window there for people to look out at the mountains of Slovenia. So you're gonna have two quick seats over here that you can hang out at. That's where me and my friend sat last night. We hung up our flashlight on the corner of the door here because there is no electricity out here. So one thing that we had to get used to was finding other ways to do things. So you see, this is very different than a cruise ship cabin, though I'd say it's probably about the same size as a small interior, but this is the room that I am staying in. There is some storage up above, so if you want to store something there, you can. Even got some hooks. They've got two beautiful chairs here for you to sit in. I would say beautiful. They are traditional, and you've got a little bit of storage down here as well. But what you're really paying for is waking up to these views of the mountain. How beautiful is that right there? So I know a lot of you are going to ask, where was the restroom in that picture? So you see that my cabin is right there on the left. But if I swing back around, you have to walk down the hill and you're going to have your restroom facilities down here. The place that I am staying is called Mountain View Glamping. If you want to look it up, it is a great spot with amazing views just about everywhere. So that is my glamping accommodations here in Slovenia. You see these beautiful mountains behind me. Really looking forward to exploring this country, but just wanted to show you all that I don't only stay on cruise ships, though cruise ships will always be where my heart is. I love a good land trip as well. All right, everyone, this is Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser. Hoping to see you on a weekend cruise soon.